Hello everyone, my name is Ulysses Su, and today I've designed the Super Grabber 3000. So first, how this works is I have two long Lego plastic bars, two of them, and then I made it into a X formation with a screw screwed in right in the middle. So why did I do this? So first, I actually made a simple machine. The simple machine consists two levers, which are these two really long bars, and one fulcrum. To make this more easy to understand, think of it kind of like a seesaw. So this one right in the middle actually enables me to move these two levers so I can grab stuff with it. So things that I have actually improved, things that I have added into the simple machine is these two short Lego bars. So first, these short Lego blocks does actually two important things to this simple machine. First, it gives it support, because when I actually grab things, instead of putting the pressure on these two really fragile long lever bars, it can actually spread out the energy onto 4 bars. So with these two, actually gives it stronger support and makes the machine stronger. And the second reason I've actually implied this is actually give it a better formation. Just for example, if I don't have these two bars, you would basically be grabbing things with a slanted bar, kind of like an X, kind of like grabbing things with slanted bars, kind of like this. And it's really hard to actually grab it. But if you make it straight, like this, and the bar straight, if you make your simple machine straighter, it can actually pretty easy to grab. So that's why I've implemented these two bars. And this is kind of how it grabs these objects like this, kind of like this. Yep, thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Ulysses Su, and today I've made the Super Chipmunk Grabber 5000. So this grabber was actually from the original version, the Super Grabber 3000, but I've made some improvements to it to replicate a kind of like a chipmunk, to grab some smaller things like peas. So what I've done is I added these two cups right here. So why have I added these two cups? But first, that these cups together actually has a bigger volume and has a bigger depth to hold more peas. And it has a bigger volume so it can hold more and do more stuff. And second, that I've added these two big wooden sticks attached to the cups to give it more stability and support while I grab these peas. And the third and final thing, I've actually made this cup a little bigger than this cup. Why? So when it clamps together, it can have more support and have more stability, and it won't like open up and stuff, so the peas won't be likely to fall out. And this just gives a little more volume and space to grab more stuff. So I will be doing 2 experiments to see how many of these peas I can grab with my grabber to fill up these 9-ounce cups, and see how many 9-ounce cups I can fill. And each experiment I will see and do it with 1 minute. So in 1 minute, let me see how many of these 9-ounce cups I can fill. So according to my experiment, I can actually fill 2 cups per minute in the experiment that I just showed you. And then there are 9-ounce cups, so in total, in 1 minute, I can get 18 ounce of peas per minute. And this can also hold heavy things. And I hope you enjoyed my video.